Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make Twitter or X account private. Okay, first things first, launch the Twitter application or X application on your device. Tap the profile icon usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Navigate then to Settings and Privacy, but in some versions it might be Settings and Support. So under it, go to Privacy and Safety. Look then for the option labeled Audience and Tagging. In the Audience and Tagging section, you'll find an option that says Protect Your Tweets. Turn on then the toggle switch next to it. Enabling this option means that only your current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets or post. So once you have turned on the toggle, your Twitter account is now in private mode. You'll notice a lock icon next to your profile, indicating that your account is now private. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now make Twitter account private. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.